GOODCRAFTER hat heat press machine. Small but mighty. Adjustable temperature. Heats up quickly and safe use. Professional hat press. Easy to carry. Operation and use. Press for 3 seconds to start. Turn to the second mode. Wait for heating for about 10 minutes. Paste the sticker. Hold on the bracket. Heating press for 5 to 7 seconds. Wait for it to cool down before you can tear it off. Wow! You can also fill the bag. Place the hat on the filled bag. When the brim of the hat is relatively strong, you can also pull on the glove and hold the hat. Directly scald for about 5 to 7 seconds. When you tear off the sticker after cooling and find a warped edge, please press the edge for a few more seconds. It can also be used for your t-shirt. Of course, you can also try to heat press either items. Wow! Do you like it?